Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the free education in UK. I would like to talk about one specific scholarship which is called Chevening, and there are more than 40 countries participating in the program. And if your country is one of the participating country in this program, you can apply for the Chevening Scholarship. So depending on the countries, application deadlines differs, but generally application deadline coincide to November, beginning of the November, their application is closed. Nowadays applications are open and you can apply for the program. I would like to give you a little bit brief information about the scholarship, how you can apply and what are the requirements of the scholarship. First of all, the scholarship provides you with tuition fee. It pays your tuition fee, your travel expenses, your arrival and baggage allowance when you arrive in England. They will give you additional money for settling down in England, and also except all these additional expenses, you will be provided almost 900 or 900 exactly 17 pound outside London, and 1134 pounds inside the London if you are living there. And the requirements of the program is um, a little bit easy. I compared to other international scholarship, of course, not compared to all international scholarship, it's a little bit easy. So what to do is just to find the university, to find the program which starts next year in September, October, and it must be thought-based program, master program, rather than research-based program, because they don't accept research-based master program. And the master program, the university you are going to study must be inside the UK, inside in England. Additionally, you have to have your English level, and you have to submit a certificate that proves that your English level. It can be IELTS, TOEFL, or Cambridge English, and other international certificate prove that you have a strong English ability. And for IELTS, minimum total score must be 6.5, and each section must be not less than 5.5. And also for TOEFL, the total score must be 79, and for each section it must be minimum 17 or 18. I'm not sure, you can find more about them in the website itself, which I will give you information in the description section as well. And about the work experience, you have to have at least 2 years of work experience related to your bachelor degree. After you graduate your bachelor degree, you have to have 2 years of work experience, but it mustn't be a kind of professional work experience. It can be volunteering, internship, part-time or full-time job, which you have already engaged in almost 2 years, and there is a certain amount of the hours that is indicated in the website itself. You have to have this amount of hours of works that are related to your previous education and the future education, and you have to also submit 2 reference letter. But actually you don't have to, but you have to inform your referees. It can be professional or academic referee. For example, if somebody from the university, one of them can be from your work career, who worked on the higher level of your position. I think this is all about the requirements. I would like to tell you how to apply for the program. In order to apply for the program, of course, you have to go to the website itself and then register yourself. After registering yourself and choosing your country, the website will offer you the suitable program that you can apply. I think that there will be 2 programs. One of them is fellowship, one of them is scholarship. I think the scholarship is better idea because it gives you chance to study in UK up to 2 years. Fellowship is just a kind of 6 or 7 months, and additionally requirements for the fellowship are also different. And after registering yourself, you will have windows telling you what to do about filling the forms of the application process, and you will fill all the forms and answer the questions. And in the 3rd or 4th chapter of the application, you have to choose your university where you want to study. Actually, I wanted to inform you beforehand that you will have a 2 application process. First of all, you will have to apply for the scholarship, and secondly, you have to find your own university and you have to apply for the university and get your admission from them, and then insert all detailed information about the universities you got admission from into the application system. But nowadays, currently you don't have to have a kind of offer from university in order to apply for the program, and you don't have to provide your English certificate that my English certificate is ready and I want to submit it. It's not important. You have still time till next year 20 for this for of course for English certificate you still have time till 2020, 16th of July. You can submit your English certificate, and additionally you can submit your other admission letter from the university that you wanted to study till I'm not sure about it. I think it must be until the February. So it depends on you how fast you can get your admission from the universities. As I told you before, there are two processes. After finishing your application process for scholarship, you have to work on your university admission, and you have to get admission from the 3 universities as soon as possible. I think there are more information about application process and about getting admission to UK universities, and then how to apply for the scholarship and tips about the scholarship in YouTube as well as in Google search. And also you can find more information in the website itself. You can look for the information that you would like to find, which will give you more detailed information about how to apply and how to get the scholarship. So I think it's a great opportunity for those who want to study in UK and who has financial difficulties to study. And if you are able to show that you have a distinguished ability about your education and your future plans are really good for your country, most probably you will be able to get admission to the program, and then you will get your scholarship. By the way, I would like to stress that out that in the second process of the application, if you are successful in the first process, the second step of application is about interview. You will be invited to the embassy of UK in your country, and they will interview you about your education, about your plans, and if they agree with you, if they approve your case, you will be one of those who win the scholarship. I think that I can talk about it a little bit more, but I would like to have your questions on the comment in order to give you much more related and much more detailed information about the program and about application process of universities. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to write it on the comment section, and I will be always ready to have your questions and answer them. Good luck for you, and I hope that next year you will have your studies in UK.